Feeling tired by 3 p.m. every day? What if I told you there's a simple juice that can boost your energy naturally and strengthen your immune system at the same time? I'm talking about my go-to green immunity juice, and it only takes 4 ingredients you probably already have at home. Here's what you need: fresh spinach, packed with iron for energy, 1 green apple for natural sweetness and vitamin C, fresh ginger root, this is your inflammation fighter, and 1 lemon for that extra vitamin C boost and to help your body absorb all the iron from the spinach. The preparation couldn't be easier. Wash 2 cups of fresh spinach, core 1 green apple, and chop it up. Peel a 1-inch piece of ginger and juice half a lemon. Throw everything into your blender with half a cup of water. Blend for 60 seconds and strain if you prefer it smooth. The magic happens when these ingredients work together. Subscribe to my channel for more.